Yeah, I don't know. We didn't sign anything, so. But I mean, I crashed so many of your cars, so you can crash.
I would rather not. Oh.
Did I? I didn't give you the key?
No.
That's not gonna go anywhere.
Remote start, right?
Yeah. Good morning, comrades. Very exciting things are about to happen.
Big stuff going down.
Big stuff going down. As you can see, Robert's going to be driving the RingTracktor for the first time ever. The reason for this is actually...
Where do I put the plow down?
That's not the plow button.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Do you want to tell them the reason?
No, you tell them the reason.
Ah, well, you want to try the brakes.
I want to try the brakes out.
Yeah,
My old brakes.
So basically what happened, the white Polo...
Black Polo. Blah, 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 blah.
Do they come off the black one?
Yeah, they came off the black one. Or the Golf.
Weren't those the new ones for the...
Oh, you're right. They were the new ones for the white Polo. You're right.
The new ones
yeah.
for the white
yeah.
Polo, which
yeah.
were taken off. Oh, George is joining us, yeah, as well. Yes, we're gonna have the double lap. Yeah, they were taking off the white Polo. Because Polo got taken out of the fleet, and I put them on here, and you took off the same type of brakes off the black Polo.
Yes.
But now you're not happy with the stock brakes,
right.
so you want to put them back on. But you were not happy about those brakes
brake
with different pads.
Exactly. So I want to try these brakes with the PFC pads.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, and you didn't like the RSL 29.
Yeah, I can already tell you that right now the brake pedal feels, with these calipers and these pads, it's not so on-off like it was with the in the black Polo.
Yep.
So that's what I want to see, if it's like that initial hit, because the stock brakes on the Polos feel really good.
Yeah.
It's just right now the compounds. It's all about trying to find the right compound.
Exactly. Here, the only issue that you have now, if you like really push it and you're on it and you want to try to trail brake or something, is because of the stock size, like small size the brakes on the back. The car is kind of like, doesn't like that. So there's too much off balance, so we're waiting.
I did a video about that today.
Did you?
Yeah, brake bias.
Brake bias, that's good. So check out this channel. Yeah, but other than that, I'm excited. We did a lap together in this earlier, but that was completely stock back then.
It was before the seat mod.
Before the seats, before the remap, before we did have the engine mounts. So. Ooh, that's nice.
That's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'll take one.
Yep. He's actually selling it, so I can hook you up.
There we go. Open my mouth.
How you like the shifter?
I think it's pretty cool, actually. Oh, hey. So how many horsepowers we got here, Misha?
132 on the
wheel.
On the 130 on the wheels and 142 on the crank.
Nice.
338 Newton meters. So
338.
338.
It's not too bad.
Yeah, but that's crank Newton meters. I don't remember the wheels ones. I think 320 or something. It doesn't matter. It's okay. It's a lot of fun.
All right. Well, this isn't my car, so I'm going to be nice to it.
You definitely need to switch off traction control.
Let's do it. How do I know that it's off?
It is off. There's a light on, so we switched it off. Because now it doesn't like when you go in a corner. It's just like it likes to grip it.
We're still on the stock suspension.
Yeah, the suspension is. We'll catch them in the next.
We'll see them in the turns.
Yeah, exactly. For me, it's kind of a test drive of the seat, because when you're driving it, you have a good, like, you're holding onto the steering wheel, but now I'm just sitting in. Yeah, tires are actually shit, I must say. They are. And that's what I said. Like, when I was driving when the car was still stock, the car would be a lot more stickier. So I think that the R1s, which are on it now, when you go through like a couple of heat cycles, they just become meh.
Fun though, I got it.
Yeah, car also needs a remap for the heel and toe, because if you brake and
It doesn't do
throttle,
anything.
it drops the accelerator. So.
And I've noticed with the diesels, you almost can't even bother with the heel toe.
Yeah. I wonder why the seat mount is squeaking. George and Fabi are still nicely behind us. They have also a bit more horsepower. And they're lighter.
How much horsepower? Yeah, they're both lighter. How much horsepower do they have?
I think they have like maybe 20 or 30 more.
Dang. I noticed coming out of some of the turns, it could pull like right there.
Yeah.
I've been floored the whole way through fluke
Yeah.
pots in there. Creeping.
Yeah, so Ironberg is going to be your brake test. You can go.
I'm ready for it. They feel good.
Yeah.
Suspension, on the other hand.
Don't get me started about that. I think that's going to be like a big world of difference.
Yeah.
Like it could also benefit from a quicker steering rack, because now you like really.
Yeah, but it's still fun.
It's you also do get more control over it in the in the less tight corner, so to say. So.
That's fun, huh?
Not that many photographers left, so that's.
Yeah, this morning there was a ton of them out.
Yeah.
It was crazy.
I hope we're gonna have some nice shots still. And flat out. Yes. No need to upshift.
No, I don't think so here.
So we're 500,000 RPM already.
Is that too much for you, Misha?
I don't know. I wasn't planning on putting a new engine in tomorrow.
What was my SB?
Yeah, I don't know. We didn't sign anything, so. But I mean, I crushed so many of your cars, so you can crush.
I would rather not. Oh. I'd rather not return the favor.
Yeah. Dum, 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 dum. Whee! Yeah, we need more power here.
It's all good though.
Yeah.
You know, the up has about as much power as this, but nowhere near the torque.
True, that's the thing.
Yeah.
And the way the power is being built, because it's
Yeah.
gasoline engine, petrol engine, let's be more specific. And it has better suspension and tires, so that helps a lot. I think once we're gonna change it on this, it will be better. He's gonna show off, huh? That's the car behind.
I'm getting the draft. Slipstream, here we go.
Yes.
You feel that torque come in?
Yeah, I'm wondering how much RPM is going to be dropping.
Yeah.
Slightly. But it was a lot worse when it was stock, so.
Oh, I believe it.
And now we're also with two people, so it's okay. Definitely mood curve swerve and not unswerve. Yes.
Finding that sweet spot.
That was a typical like car movie thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Shift to go faster.
10 times. My 14-speed gearbox.
Yes. Overall, I must say, like the experience from the passenger seat.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Very good. Like it can be definitely a very good beginner's car, I would say.
Look at that! Look at that little Golf go.
Yep.
Puffing away.
Fast polo coming through. Almost at some point. There we go. Oh, it's a Golf. It's not a polo. Ah, they all look the same from the back. Target has been reached.
Yeah, but how many laps did you do? Because my watch is always screwing with me on that. It's like, oh man, you drove 10 laps. You must have walked 45 freaking kilometers today.
Workout started, so. Hold on. Oh, come on.
That's not my car, man. It's a nice slip angle going on, I'll tell you that much.
Yeah, it does, and you can do lots of some lift off oversteer.
Yeah.
With the rear anti-roll bar helps a lot. Comparison because we just did a lap in the Polo, and now I can compare the car from the same passenger seat experience. Seats are definitely better.
Yeah, the seats are definitely better in this one.
And just suspension and tires that are, and that should be solved ASAP.
That's fun, huh?
It is. It's almost the same as Francois' car.
Yeah, it is.
The same color. Nice. Well, I enjoyed it a lot. Actually.
Yeah, that was fun. Thank you for letting me drive.
Yeah, I hope you had fun.
I did. It was cool.
What do you think of the brakes?
It's good. I like them. Yeah, much better.
Cool. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. You definitely liked my scary face in I don't know, forest. Other than that, I had lots of fun. I'm looking forward to do more laps like this. Also, like when the engine or suspension is going to be done. I think that's what we should do. Like every mod, you should
just do some laps and see what we think.
You should.
No, that was a lot of fun.
Yeah, cool, awesome. Well, Track's toast. Thank you, George, as well, for a very cool lap together. And see you next time when, I don't know, in the day after tomorrow's video. I don't know what's going to come out, but see you then. Bye.